Yes, I am here now. I'm part of her channel now.
So today we're going out for shopping because we're going somewhere. We'll later show in this video.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. We're gonna buy a dress, right?
Yes, we're gonna go try on some dresses. Maybe try to find a good fit.
Yeah. And thanks to Jojo for driving us.
You're welcome.
Yes, thank you.
Have fun.
Yeah. Thank you. Let's go. Chill, olmaz alıyor. Let's go. Now we are at Rose. Gonna look at some dress.
Wow.
What kind of dress you like?
I don't know. For where we're going, we kind of want casual, kind of comfy, warm. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Because we're going at night.
Yeah, we're going at night.
These are the dresses. Let me show you what I got at last. Okay, now these are the dresses I'm gonna try on. And this is all these.
Yep. We're just trying on some stuff.
I have like 10 dresses. Let's see. Hello, now I got one dress.
Right now.
I'll show you guys later when I wear it. My friend, she's always hungry. She's always hungry. Okay, so we're going to go eat something right now. It's a Kyoto ramen. She said she wanna eat something like pokeball or something.
Yes.
Let's go. Tuna pokeball.
Because tuna is good for your everything. It's good antioxidants.
Look at mine. My mom ordered for me. This is a chicken and rice.
It's a chicken barbecue.
Yeah, I love chicken barbecue. Thank you, Amma.
You're welcome.
Now I'm getting ready to go somewhere. Then I'll show you guys later. Today I decided to go with curls, and hairstylist is my mom. So they're here. Aubrey is here. Okay.
It's a pretty tune.
Thank you.
Oh my god, these are gorgeous. You're having so much fun.
They're here. We made it. Here's all.
Hello. We got the tickets.
Yeah. I think that's when we were going. That's the one we were going on.
We're going. Yeah. That would be bad.
Thank you, girls. Alright, who's up next? Who's ready?
They're doing karaoke.
I got Coca-Cola and I got Shirley Temple.
Shirley Temple? Yeah. Her is so peaceful.
Where we are right now? We're in San Francisco, baby. Let's go. That's where I work. That's where my mom was.
We're going to the dance floor now.
I whispered underneath my breath, darling, you. I was she ready for it, but I couldn't control her. So looking on me, I was just like a ghost. So they put out like a toaster. Sorry, but I had to go.
Now we are done.
Yes, we're here at the end.
Now we are going back. It was good. It was fun. It was fun. It was a good experience, I would say.
Yes.
First, we didn't dance, but at the last, then we get courage to dance. And they played really good songs. So.
Yeah. Very good songs. So half of them I didn't know this.
So same, but
Mostly
we vibe.
rap.
That's a vibe.
Mostly rap.
Yeah.
If I don't listen.
Yeah. Now waiting for her grandma. Her grandma is here.
Yeah, that was fast.
Yep, we got her around like almost. Yeah. There's stairs that go up this way.
Is this safe?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, 'cause I can't see it. Thank you for coming again.
Of course, it was fun. Thank you.
I had fun.
Yup, me too. You should watch my vlog.
I will watch your vlog.
Okay, bye.
Vlogging, you get off the cruise?
She's a YouTuber.
Oh, I want to see it.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you for coming.
Of course. Bye. Good night. Thank you.